Hey guys, it's Cash. So this is my quick and easy skincare routine featuring Duvolle Skincare System brush. So first, what I'm going to be doing is wiping off all my makeup from the day because I want to make sure I get a good, clean slate to work on. So then I'm going to be using my skincare brush that Duvolle sent to me, and I've been loving this thing. It leaves your face so soft and it gets into all the crevices. You know what I mean? Is that a word? Yeah, you know what I mean. So it comes with 4 easily interchangeable brushes and they all work for different things. So I am going to moisturize now because you know what they say about moisturizing. Just do it. So after that, I'm actually going to be using something for my acne scars. And I mean, that's pretty much just everything that I do. I'm going to have this link down below with the coupon code so you can go and get your very own skincare system set for the low. And I'm going to go now because I don't got no time. All right, bye.